Alright, moving along. This is a reference to the one-story powerhouse that they put up in Garret. Going through my articles here. Don't know how long this is going to last. And here's an article by James McSweeney on drawbars and pins. He was the master blacksmith. I'll let you read that if you can. Pause it if you need to be able to read it. And then moving along out of my links, I found here is a reference to the master boilermakers, and my camera is about to dump out again, but I'll zoom in for you. Hopefully you can read it. Pause it if you want to read it as I go through it here. Just talks about a labor complaint about introducing piecemeal work for the flues, which they had put up a new flue plan around 1909. There's an article in here somewhere. Really, it's the only diagram of the inside of the Garret shops that I've been able to find. It's kind of strange, really. And then here's what the roundhouse looked like in 1912, or actually there's like 1918 for war bonds, or Liberty bonds. See how it's different from the original. Let's see. Moving along here. Let's see. This was a reference to the roundhouse extension. Or rather, it was mentioning they had put on a Brady patented extension for roundhouses, and that was in like 1903, sorry, February 14th, 1903. Let me zoom in here. And I have a number of photos that the museum had sent me, besides all these links. This is kind of where it all began. Garret City, talking about putting up a 265 foot roundhouse. Here we go. And Garret was the division point back then, but it was removed around 1926 and was a division point again at some point off and on throughout its history. Is that? And then this just talks about they put in a reclamation plant at Garret.